Hello everyone. If you want to quickly master web programming, then you need to understand where to get information from and develop your skills. We will look at the top 5 sites for learning web programming. Like, subscribe, let's go. 5th place, developer.mozilla.org is one of the best sites to learn JavaScript. The beauty of this application is that it offers you not just individual lessons, but a consistent program for mastering JS. The nice thing is that the program is designed for beginners in programming, which means everything is written as detailed and understandable as possible. Each function here is allocated a lesson, which allows you to master it perfectly. For each lesson, there is a theory, interactive examples to play with. Also, you will be given a full-fledged task for the development of skills. The site is very convenient and useful. I recommend. 4th place, stackoverflow. Where without this site? Although it does not contain full-fledged articles or tutorials. The main thing here is answers to your questions and solutions to your mistakes. Simply Google your programming question and the first page you see is guaranteed to be Stack Overflow. The site is quite ancient, so there is a lot of content. One of the nice things is that for one problem, you can often find several solutions. Well, yes, if your problem is not here, you can always write it yourself and someone will definitely answer you. Or maybe a whole dialogue will begin. 3rd place, typingClub. typingClub is a very cool site for training your typing speed. It is important for every professional programmer to be able to write code quickly and without errors. This improves efficiency and productivity. typingClub was created specifically for this. The web application is more like a game where you will go through the levels for the main character, a ninja. Although the first 50 levels seem very easy, it's just a warm-up before the rest. By the way, the web application is free. You just need to register and start playing useful games now. 2nd place, w3schools.com. This site contains everything you need to know about web programming. There are convenient sections here, both about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and the rest in turn. Each course is divided into topics, which is very convenient if you need to find information on a specific element. Each theme contains concise and useful theory, interactive examples that you can change to your taste, and as a bonus, also tasks for you to practice on based on my experience. I will say that both beginners and experienced programmers use this site. 1st place, Geeks4Geeks, a very large collection of information about all areas of programming here. Along with web programming, you can find tutorials on Python, machine learning, and Java. The main idea of the site, as the name implies, is that some geeks share lessons with others. All this is implemented in the form of articles, each of which has a specific author. Each article has a theory and examples of use. But the best thing is that there is an abundance of answers to questions you may have. All you have to do is search the site. Of course, for a large amount of knowledge, you have to pay with the inconvenience of the site and the heap of everything. For developers, there is HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, React, Angular, in general. Everything and even a little more. I hope these sites are as useful to you as they were to me. I suggest you try them after watching this video. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.